Photopea Torn Paper Effect tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this torn paper effect tutorial because the style is popular in social media graphics, posters, thumbnails, and digital art projects. Start by accessing the Photopea website in Google Chrome and make sure your device is connected to the internet before beginning the editing process. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar and wait for the browser to fully open. Hover your cursor over the search bar, tap it, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. Once the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, and you will be redirected to the Photopea homepage. Before starting the editing steps, prepare the photo you want to edit and save it in an easy-to-find location on your computer. Next, click the Open from Computer option on the homepage. Browse to the folder where the photo is saved and double-click the image file to open it. When the editing page appears with your photo loaded, press Ctrl and 0 together to highlight the canvas properly. Duplicate your photo layer by pressing Ctrl and J so you can work on a copy safely. Look at the new adjustment layer menu and select the black and white adjustment option. Hide the adjustment panel, then tap the layer thumbnail, right-click it, and choose Merge Down. Add a new layer and press B on your keyboard to activate the brush tool. Before continuing, download the torn paper brush from 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 and import the brush into Photopea. Change the active brush into the torn paper brush and set the brush color to white. Apply the brush over the photo while adjusting the desired areas carefully. Right-click the brush layer and select Pixels. Hide the brush layer, select the main layer, and hit the vector mask icon. Unhide the brush layer and lower the fill to 0%. Right-click the brush layer again. Open Blending Options, activate Stroke, change the stroke color to white, and increase the stroke size. For extra detail, use Inner Shadow. Finally, you have successfully created a torn paper effect in Photopea. This effect gives your image a ripped paper appearance that looks creative, textured, layered, and more visually interesting for design projects and posters.